everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have a diamond painting unboxing to share with you all. It's a nice little box, very sturdy. Sometimes they tell you when they're gonna put it in a box. When you pick the size, sometimes it says boxed or bagged. Usually it just says nothing. But I always look at it like it's a little bit higher quality when it's in a nice box, because that all adds to their cost. So when people say, oh, I want them all boxed. Well, you don't want to pay that much for all your diamond paintings. Everyone wants to pay as little as they can, but in this craft, you really get what you pay for. If you're going to pay that much less, you're not going to get a nice box. The drills may not be the best. The toolkits may be of lesser quality. That's what happens. You really do get what you pay for here. So, okay, toolkit. We've got a standard kit, green boat, pink wax, some bags. Oh, this is nice. It's a pen with a single and a 3-tip. So, those are nice. Wow. Oh, this is another watercolor. Wow, this is beautiful. It's like these poppies. Watercolor poppies. The size is 36 by 46. Not funny. Wow, it's sticky all the way to the bottom, so I'm gonna have to put washi tape on there because it just makes me nuts when my hands stick to the canvas. The drills are beautiful colors. There they are. And they're labeled really nicely. So this is 36 by 46. That's funny. Full drill round. It's just an odd size. Very nice. I think the colors are beautiful. If you can see the symbols, let me hold it up close. They're very clearly marked, and the colors are all shaded nicely. It's not just a block of one color. Even at the bottom where it should, you would think it's a solid color. Hope you can see that. Even at the bottom, it's all confetti in there. TNT, it says. Those are the symbols. And full drill round. And yeah, looks really nice. It's very pretty. That's going to be a fun one to do. So if you like my videos, take a minute and hit the thumbs up. If you subscribe and then click on the bell, you'll be reminded of when my new videos come out. And thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you have any comments, just write in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer questions. You can email me. You can come join the Facebook group. It's called Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. And yeah, that's about it. You have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Yeah.